Part 1. Why China and what buyers care about. Choosing the right sticky notes partner is the difference between smooth resets and missed windows. China leads on cost efficiency, range, customization, and export know-how, and the best suppliers prove it with certifications, capacity, and clear timelines. Use 3 buyer filters. 1. Quality and certification. Look for ISO 9001, FSC, BSCI, SMETA. 2. Capacity and lead time standard pads to 2-3 weeks. Custom 4-6 weeks. 3. Customization depth sizes. Die-cut shapes. PET, eco paper, printing, and packaging. Part 2. Top manufacturers, buyer, one-liners. 1. Lion paper products. Jiaxing, China plus Cambodia. Dual-site footprint for fast prototyping is approximately equal to 5-7 days, and stable mass production. ISO 9001 and FSC with AQL, video recorded QC. Strong options in FSC, recycled paper, and PET film, plus display, packaging support. 2. Papa China promotional focused supplier with low MOQs, fast bulk pricing, and a wide mix from 3x3 pads to cubes and memo sets, ideal for trade show and corporate campaigns. Niceset, China, adhesive, R&D, and patented glue tech. Heidelberg presses, auto gluing, range from paper pads to PET, waterproof notes, and complex die cuts, built for innovative SKUs at scale. 4. Misio, craft OEM, ODM specialist. Excels in custom sizes. Materials including PET, vellum, glitter, themed pads, flags, FSC, recycled options for eco briefs. 5. Power Gather. 4. Ever Office, balanced catalog. Standard, 3x3, bookmarks, film tabs, waterproof notes, shaped pads, cubes good fit for supermarkets and school. Office channels. Part 3. Customization and supplier selection playbook. Specs first. Size, sheet count, paper weight, adhesive strength, finish, and die cut if needed. Materials, standard or FSC, recycled paper or PET for transparent, water-resistant use. Printing, screen, digital, hot stamp, foil, UV varnish. Packaging, shrink, paper sleeves, belly bands, gift kits. Due diligence. Request ISO, FSC, BSCI, SMETA proof. Ask for sample pads to test adhesive and paper opacity. Confirm lead time by SKU. Align MOQ. And check export communication support for customs and docs. Part 4. Why buyers shortlist Lion paper. Lion paper turns sourcing into a schedule. China for rapid prototyping. Cambodia for stable mass. You get ISO-aligned QC, AQL transparency, and the FSC Eco Ink options, so claims are verifiable and timelines realistic.